Now's the shooting test of the mp5 now, so you guys can see. The reason it has this wire here is because I used to do a lot of CQB stuff. Yeah, all the internals and everything are good, and on the AK as well. The reason I have this long wire is because I used to put on my vest around my waist, my waist and stuff, and I used to carry it around and really just have my arm's length, like it's as big as my hand. I mean, you know, if you really look at it, it's really big as my fucking my whole hand here, my arm to my hand. So I mean, so that's why I have it like this. I have the stock if you guys want it, but it's really lightweight type of stuff here. So I'm gonna do the same situation. First, I'm gonna do it like this first, so that way you guys can, you know, get an idea of what's going on here. So now it's on a semi. So yeah, it's pretty fast, huh? Yeah, it's pretty fast. Kind of like a machete going off or something, you know? You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, now it's doing a semi. Yeah, it's a pretty fast little gun, huh? Yeah, it's a pretty, you know, it's a little short test, whatever, right? So let's go ahead and do the, we're doing the 50-foot test here now. It's a 50-foot test, all this is. It's not anything more than a 50-foot test, because they said before the 180-foot test is it's not really good on camera. You gotta come do it yourself, I guess. So yeah, that's why I have this like this. I have this little brick right here. It's a really lightweight stuff. You can go around, shoot people, basically run around, be an idiot, I guess. So let's go ahead and do the up close one now. I'm gonna do it first semi and then automatic. The reason I didn't do a semi on the AK is because I took that off on the semi. I took the semi off on the AK because I took it off because it kept getting stuck, and you know, those version 3 gearboxes tend to have problems, so I just did automatic. Yeah, the camera fell down. I don't know when it fell down, but I barely noticed it right now as I was picking it up. So that's the 50-foot test. Did it from all the way from that little curve over there to that pillow. So that's where I did it. I don't know when that shit came off, but that's the shooting test of the mp5. So